So here's that piece of stone after using the diamond cup wheel. This is that piece that I got from Oro Grande. It's mostly garnet. It's really hard. Just to give you an idea of how hard, on the diamond cup wheel, this started out as pretty much new, and it is completely smooth here, just from doing that face and then the reverse face. So next I'm going to move on to 50 grit diamond polishing pad using this, and I'll show you the different steps and hopefully see if this will come out. See the water? This is after the 50 grit wheel. It's cleaned up pretty good. Guess we'll see if any more color comes out. I'll switch over to the 100 grit and progress through the different ones and see what kind of polish this side will take. It's 100 grit wheel. There's the finish here. It's turning out pretty smooth. We'll see what happens. I'm going to move on to the 200 grit wheel and see as things progress. See if we can get a really nice shine on the garnet. Just finished with the 200 grit here. You can really actually start to tell the difference. It's getting quite nice, especially this area here, which is not really garnet. Most of the garnet is here. A little bit of galena lead here, and I think there. Some chrysocolla here and here. Come along pretty nicely. I'm going to move on to the 400 grit, and hopefully keep seeing some progress like we're seeing now. Just finished with the 400 grit. It's coming out really nice. You can really tell the difference. Only having to spend maybe 10 minutes or so per disc in order to get a, well, it looks like a pretty good polish, but you'll never know until you finish and you let it dry completely, and then you can see any spots you may have missed, scratches that you'll have to go back over and start, at a higher grit. Right now I'm going to switch to the 800 and we'll see what it turns out. Just finished with the 800 grit. I actually dried it off a little bit this time. I'm down to a fine enough grit that even dry, it's still got a bit of a sheen to it, which is pretty nice. And you're really starting to see a lot of the lead, the galena show up, which is kind of interesting. You couldn't see before. But yeah, so this is dry and already got a good nice sheen. And I still have another, probably 4 different wheel grits to go through. So I'm really pleased so far, and we'll keep going and show you the progress. Next will be the that was 1500. Next will be the 3000. I'll put that on. Excellent. Right. That's the 3000. You can really start to see some of the colors and shine. Last one is 10,000. Alright, so there we go, after 10,000 grit. That's the polished side. To give you an idea of comparison, that is a rough cut sawn side only, just so it would stand up. It's shiny, but you see a lot of the garnet. So again, there's the polished side. And then finally, this is the side that I only went over with a cup. So we're going to do to this side what we did with the other grits. And now you can kind of see a big difference. This is just the cup that leaves a lot of big scratches in. And again, the polished side.